Allah, the most merciful, the all compassionate. All the praises and thanks be to Allah, who is the Lord of the universe. Assalamu alaikum. This is Saima Kamran, Deputy Director HRM at Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. I'm deeply humbled and honored to be selected for the exalted obligation to share the remarkable success story of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, to showcase the exceptional achievements of our brilliant students. It's my pleasure to welcome you all on the grand celebration of annual prize distribution ceremony of the Message International School System. I'm delighted to start by welcoming the eminent and the prominent chief guests of the day, respect-worthy Mr. Khurram Shehzad Qureshi, the Secretary, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. And I want to extend my gratitude to welcome the dignified and the glorified chief guest of the day, Mr. Sadiq Ali Dogar, City Police Officer, Multan. Thank you so very much, sir, for spending your precious time to join us today for the motivation of our students. Your presence means a great deal to us. Next, I would like to present an exalted welcome to all the honorable parents who have joined us today to celebrate the success of our beloved students. Along with this, I would like to extend a warm and joyful welcome to our young scholars, the shiny students of the Message International School System. Dear students and the parents, you all are warmly welcomed on the behalf of highly esteemed Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal and the passionate team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Respected audience, I'm really feeling blessed beyond my years at this moment because this is the moment of gratitude and gratefulness. So from the deep core of my heart, I'm highly thankful to Allah Almighty for all the countless blessings that Allah gave us even without asking. मेरे रब ने हमें बिन मांगे बहुत अदा किया, बहुत अता किया. रब्बे करीम आपका बहुत शुक्र, हम सब की तरफ से आपका बहुत शुक्र. Millions and trillions of thanks to Allah Almighty that Britain Group of Schools and Colleges has successfully completed 26 years of excellence. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. Congratulations to all the parents, students, and the team members, and especially our respect-worthy Chairman of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges, Sir Javed Iqbal. Dear parents, now it's the time to give you all the glimpses of the remarkable success journey of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges. Let's take a moment to review the milestones achieved, the challenges overcome, and the triumphs celebrated. It was 1995 when a big dream and aim was set by our respect-worthy Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal. Dream to contribute something positive to the society by starting a school system with the combination of international standards of education and Islamic values. In 1998, the first campus was started with the name of Al-Awwal Campus. The motto of our school is We Shape Character, and the slogan is Spread Light. Spread the light of knowledge to dispel the darkness of ignorance. At the launch of Britain International College Network, a new logo was introduced, that is Dream Big. Your future starts here. After the great success of many years and winning the trust of lots of the parents, our respect-worthy Chairman Sir Javed Iqbal took another initiative that in 2012, he started another project with the name of the Message International School System. Its motto, aim to build character, and its logo, cultivate the Islamic spirit. And now, Alhamdulillah, the Message International School System has two campuses, Al-Mateen campus and Al-Kavi campus. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah Almighty, now in 2024, there are 43 campuses of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges with 1,700 team members, Alhamdulillah. Now we can proudly claim that this is the fastest growing system of Pakistan. Here is the list of all the authorized campuses in front of you. We are offering Hifzul Quran classes along with school education in 8 of the campuses. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully established 12 premium campuses. They are fully equipped with all facilities for our students. There are upcoming mega projects in the form of 2 more campuses. One in Butch Executive Villas with the name of Al-Ahad campus, and Al-Ghani campus is being launched in January 2025, inshallah, in Qadirpur Rawa. In Britain, Group of Schools and Colleges and the Message International School System, we have introduced STEM-aligned curriculum in all of our campuses to cope up with the 21st century education challenges. No doubt, it's a unique system which offers a comprehensive range of educational programs in one platform. We offer playgroup to matriculation, O-levels, A-levels, intermediate, and Hifzul Quran, and Alhamdulillah, we are achieving outstanding results in all of these educational departments, Alhamdulillah. Honorable audience and eminent chief guest, the moment has arrived to reveal the outstanding and remarkable results of our students during the last 2 sessions. Alhamdulillah, हर साल मुल्तान बोर्ड में पोजीशन हासिल करने का मुनफरिद एजाज़ है बरकरार, और ये एजाज़ है ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस के पास, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Let's take a review of the remarkable results of 2023. In intermediate examination, first position in board was achieved by Fahama Ali. Second position in board was won by Maham Mansoor, and fifth position was secured by Dawood Ahmad. Alhamdulillah. In matriculation, 2 students got 1085 marks out of 1100 in board examination, and they are Mehrish Jalil and Varda Paracha. And here you can see the summary of 10th metric results of 2023. Total students appeared 316. Students got A+ grade, they are 221. And 279 students got A+ and A grade with 100% result. Very respected parents, result summary is the most important portion of the result. पोजीशन तो सिर्फ 3 से 4 बच्चों की आती है, मगर अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त की मदद के साथ ब्रिटेन ग्रुप ऑफ स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस अपनी रिजल्ट समरी को भी बहुत फख्र से आप सबके सामने बयान करते हैं. इसी तरह से इन ओ लेवल एग्जामिनेशन 2 students got A static and A's out of 8 subjects, and many students got 7 A statics and A's and 6 A statics and A's. Alhamdulillah. In 2023, 38 students completed Hifzul Quran and passed Wafaqul Madaris exams with best results. And now here comes the remarkable and outstanding results of 2024. Alhamdulillah, again, in intermediate examination, one of our student, Munib Ahmed, got second position in Multan board. In 9th metric, our 3 students got 550 marks out of 555. They are Maryam Sarfaraz, Amna Atta, and Hamza Riaz. 2 students got 548 marks out of 555. They are Maila Abid and Rumesa Arshad. 3 students achieved 546 marks out of 555, and their names are Hamna Sohail, Maryam Salman, and Muhammad Usman Hasnain. Now again, it's the time to look at the summary of 2024 metric results. Total students appeared 464. A plus grade students are 303. The students who got A plus and A grade, they are 387. Alhamdulillah, almost 85% students have got A plus and A grade. Thank you. And again, I must say that 100% result is there. And here are the top position holders of 10th metric in 2024. First position was secured by Bilal Arshad with 1176 marks out of 1200. Second position was won by Amna Hussain, 1174 marks out of 1200. And third position was achieved by Laiba Atiq and Norisa Khan with 1173 marks out of 1200. In the summary of 10th metric result, total 382 students appeared. 261 students got A plus grade, and 325 students got A plus and A grade with 100% results, alhamdulillah. Britain Group of Schools and Colleges is not only producing results in matriculation, rather, alhamdulillah, in O levels, in Cambridge department, we are also scoring big. In O level examination, I must say that in AS level, Anham Hannan got 3 A's out of 3 subjects, alhamdulillah. In A levels, 2 students, Sharjeel Ali Khan and Hafiz Umar Sadan, scored 4 A stars and A's out of 4 subjects. And Abdullah Saeed got 3 A's out of 3 subjects. Furthermore, in O-level examination, Hassan Tahir got 8 A stars and A's out of 8 subjects, and 4 students got 7 A stars and A's, and their names are Asadullah Rashid, Atibur Rahim, Saim Salim Khan, and Muhammad Usman Tahir. Alhamdulillah, with the names, I am telling you the results. Now, here comes the surprise of the day. My respected chief guest, my respected chairman Saab, and my dear parents, I am going to unveil the surprise of the day. This surprise of the day is here, that the benchmark result of O-level, our student secured. Our student, Asadullah Rashid, got a worldwide distinction in O-levels and won the Outstanding Cambridge Learners Award 2024. In 2024, 27 students completed Hifzul Quran and passed the exam of Wafaqul Madaris. From 2012 till 2024, altogether 193 blessed families, students completed Hifzul Quran from the platform of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and the Message International School System. Alhamdulillah, Summa Alhamdulillah. Now question arises, my dear all parents, my dear chief guest, my dear respect-worthy team members. The question arises in the minds of all of us, what is behind all these achievements? Yes, Alhamdulillah. The answer is Allah's blessings. Allah's blessings. Only the blessings of Allah Almighty. We are nothing without Allah's blessings. I strongly believe that Allah's blessings are with us in the form of prayers and trust of honorable parents. Dear parents, a heartfelt thanks to all of you for your continuous support during the last 26 years. And Allah's blessings are with us in the form of the strong team of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and the Message International School System, whose continuous efforts and hard work has been instrumental in our success. Our team members have been the driving force behind all of our achievements. Dear team members, I'm truly grateful for your unwavering dedication and devotion. And last but not the least, Allah's blessings are with us in the form of the passion and big dream of highly esteemed chairman, Sir Javed Iqbal. Sir Javed Iqbal is the great educationist, a passionate team leader, a researcher, a trainer by implementing the policy of promotion within the system. He developed his own team, and I feel proud to let you know that I had also joined the system 26 years back. As Ma'am Javeria told, that 26 years back, I joined this system as a teacher. I am one of the pioneers of Britain Group of Schools and Colleges and started working here as a teacher from the very first day. But today, if I am standing in front of you as the Deputy Director at Britain Group of Schools and Colleges of this prestigious system, the reason that our respected teacher, Sir Javed Iqbal, made 3 promises in the start. Respect will be given to each and every team member of the system. There is no compromise on respect. Promotion within the system. I am very much happy to bring in your knowledge, respected chief guest and respected parents. I am very much happy to bring in your knowledge that no administrator has never been hired from outside up till now. Every person is hired as a teacher, and then they are given the training, they are developed by my respect-worthy teacher, Sir Javed Iqbal. My dear parents, I am sure that I can claim no other system can do such challenge, can accept such challenge which my teacher had accepted. And Alhamdulillah, this team is heading up all different departments at head office, and all 43 campuses are centrally controlled by them. Along with this, entire administration of every campus is trained, developed by him. He wants to make all the students high achievers. Thank you so very much, sir, for everything you are doing for all of us. On the behalf of all the team members and students, I want to dedicate a couplet to you. खुद को हमारी फिक्र में कितना थकाया आपने, खुद को हमारी फिक्र में कितना थकाया आपने, मंजिल न थी जब सामने रास्ता दिखाया आपने, खुद से न थे हम आशना पहचान दी है आपने, खुद से न थे हम आशना, पहचान दी है आपने, दिल से करें हम शुक्रिया जो भी सिखाया आपने। ये नाम हमारा आपसे है, ये मकाम हमारा आपसे है। ये नाम हमारा आपसे है, ये मकाम हमारा आपसे है। कितना अनोखा, कितना प्यारा रिश्ता ये उस्ताद से है। Jazakallah, respected sir, for melting yourself like a candle for us. Dear audience, I'll bring my speech to a closure by extending my thanks and gratitude to once again to the eminent chief guest of the day, respected Mr. Khurram Shehzad Qureshi, Secretary, Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. And once again, I want to extend a heartfelt thanks to all the respected parents for putting trust on us and for your appreciation and motivation, and especially for your presence here. For all the present parents, for all the chief guests, for the team members, and for my beloved students, I want to dedicate a dua to all of you. अल्लाह पाक आपको हमेशा हंसता मुस्कुराता रखे, जिंदगी के सफर में खुशियों के रास्ते पर, चाहतों के दरमियान वो सब कुछ मिले आपको जो फजर की अजान में है, जो सुबह की इब्तदा में है, जो सितारों की चमक में है, जो फूलों की महक में है और जो आप सबके दिल में है। आमीन। Jazakallah everyone. May Allah bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you.